All right, let's take a look at this parking lot sale flyer that starts Monday, June 1st, and goes through June 4th for Inside Track Club members, and then everyone else on June 5th, 6th, and 7th. I think a few of the guys have put this out, but I thought we'd go over some highlights. First off, these icon wrenches, the Vulcan, the Doyle, and the Grants. I do have separate videos showcasing some of the items on sale. So if you get an opportunity, jump back and look at those. Another big hitter is the Bauer. You buy the starter kit and you get any of these tools free. So that is a super deal. And they also have the Hercules. So obviously the Hercules is a step up in brand. Same deal. You buy that starter kit for $119.99 and you're going to get one of these free tools. If you've already got that battery architecture, you may want to just pick up the extra battery and extra tool. If not, if you're just starting out, hey, here's you a good, easy start. A couple other highlights just running around the edges. Inexpensive flag kit if you just need one. This is a foreign-made flag, but $4.49. If you don't have one, pick it up. This is the 5mm nitrile gloves. Not the top of the line, but $5.98 a box is solid. These step drills are always a hit, $9.96. These are great for a variety of uses around the shop and around your ammo. $2.98 a can. Can't hardly beat that. The patio lights, string lights, that's a 24-foot set for $17.99, 35% off. Some extensions. These are the wobble extensions. $9.89. Now these aren't the ones you're going to torque out, but just for everyday use, these should do fine. Moving dolly for $12.99. These 40x72 moving blankets, really good quality. $3.46, 42% off. I'm sure many of us still have lots of these, but for $5.96 a pack, why not pick you up another set? There's a random orbital palm sander for $19.99. That's down from $39.99. That is the Bauer brand. It's a solid deal. Pick you up some discs, $5.98 a pack. That's a 15 pack. Here's a 500 lumen Bauer magnetic light, $19.99. Some more of the high visibility socket adapters, $2.89. This is the inexpensive ones, but like I said, for light, everyday use should be fine. If you're looking for something more user-friendly around the shop, you probably want to jump into the Icon. These air hoses are still running great deals, 3/8 by 50 foot for $16.49, 25 foot for $11.99. Digital inflator, $17.99. Lightweight 4-inch ratcheting clamps, $1.49 a piece. How about that laser thermometer? $12.99. That's 43% off. That's a good deal. 10-inch pneumatic tires, $6.92 a piece. If you need to make some replacements on your wagons or your wheeled appliances. A 14 pocket 15-inch tool bag for $4.98. Cable ties, always a hit. These are the 8-inch for $1.46 in black or white. 12-volt tire inflator, $10.99. There's an inexpensive trigger spray nozzle. Pick you one up with one of the hose deals for $3.96. Fastener kits. Obviously, a lot of the cars have these things all over them. So you can pick up an entire pack of them for $9.98 to keep your under fender wells and things intact. A lot of times you have to remove those things just to change your oil nowadays, and half the time they get broken. So it's good to have around. Here's your jigsaw with a laser. It's not the best one in the world, but this is a solid deal for $29.99. These weatherproof boxes are always a hit. This is down 33%, $19.99, and the smaller one for $9.94. All right, we got the 10-pack cutoff wheels for $3.98. Those continue to be a great deal. If you don't have a heat gun, this inexpensive one's a good time to pick it up. It's 50% off, $9.96. I've had one of those for many, many years. I don't use it often, but I've used it, I don't know, 20, 30 times. Never had a problem with it. Solid deal at $9.96. Here's your some titanium high-speed steel drill bits, 21 piece for $12.99. Pick you up a few drop cloths. These are cheap, but for 98 cents, beats not having something on the floor when you're painting or doing a greasy job. Stacking tilt bins for $1.49. I do have that transfer pump. Same deal. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it does work. If you need to siphon off a quart of oil out of your car or something, and just so you can put some additive in, does the job just fine. The blue towels, $1.98. It's 43% off. You might want to stock up. These little pick sets, while not the greatest, they work great, and 98 cents. I don't think I've ever broken any. I have been a couple, but if you don't have any, it's good to have in all your toolboxes. Same as these driver sets. This is the quarter, 3/8, and a half. $1.96. Won't take a lot of torque, but for everyday use, they will work just fine. Then you got a cushion grip, inexpensive driver set. There's a lot better drivers out there, but if you're on a super tight budget, there's your full set for $5.93. 4-way. This is a lug wrench, $9.98, 44% off. And then the inexpensive put anywhere closet light. Have some of those. Once again, it's not the greatest thing, but in the dark spot, it does help. Just a few other highlights. There's that big boy, the 13,000 watt Predator. This is a tri-fuel. It's got remote start and the CO secure technology. $350 off, down to $949. These little mini steel toolboxes are a super hit for you to keep your various things separated. It's got a couple of drawers. It's really nice, and for $14.99 in a variety of colors. Pick one up. Pick two up. How about a 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart? $199.99. That's $90 off. Solid deal. That is a US General. How about that Icon 1/4-inch drive compact socket and bit set? $59.99. That's 25% off during this sale. Pick up a Badlands 12,000 pound winch, $269.99. That's down from $349.99. How about the drywall sander? If you're going to do any drywall in the future, you might want to pick this thing up while it's $99.99, $50 off. Here's a McGraw 20-gallon, 135 PSI stand-up shop auto air compressor. That's hard to say in the morning. $199.99. They continue to offer super deals on jacks. Here's a 1.5 ton. This has got the rapid pump, $79.99. That's just a super bargain on a jack. Jump up to a 3 ton. It's going to be $99.99. Those are both the Pittsburgh brand. Daytona has an option here for $119.99. It's also a rapid pump. 3 ton, 4 colors, $119.99. That's $60 off. There's that off-road 1.5 ton with rapid pump, and it's got precise descent control, so you can just ease it down. $229.99. There's a nice 72 by 22 roll cabinet, $13.99. That's $400 off. If you're looking for these big boys, here it is. And you got your variety of colors. There's the 42 by 22 rolling cabinet for $519. That's $80 off, also in 9 colors. The full bank service cart, 6 drawers, 34 by 23. It's down $100 to $499.99. And what else we got down here? We got the Quinn 1/2-inch drive SAN metric master impact sockets. These are impacts now. $129.99 in a nice case, down $50. There's your nice stand-up battery charger and starter, $189.99, it's 40 bucks off. They got a couple more compressor deals during the sale, $50 and $20 off. If you're in the market, these are Fortress brands, super heavy duty. There's a Hercules, I'll call it a jackhammer, but they call it a wall breaker hammer with maximum control, 100 bucks off. There's a surface conditioning tool, $99.99, it's 40 bucks off. A nice 3/8 by 50 foot premium retractable air hose reel for $74.99. Need a good pressure washer. Here's a 2000 PSI max performance. This one's electric, $149.99. Less expensive, 1800 PSI. Still get the job done. As you can see, it's getting good ratings. These are both Bauer, $74.99. That's 25 bucks off. A couple other Bauer items. Here is the impact wrench with a rocker switch. This is a plug-in, but still is super heavy duty. $64.99, down 13%. An random orbit DA polisher sander for $34.99. That thing's 46% off, normally 65 bucks. Here's your nice titanium unlimited 140 professional multi-purpose welder. It's got 120 input. It's 100 bucks off at $499.99. A welding cart's 40 bucks off, $149.99. We've got some generator deals by Predator. Here's 11,500 watt tri-fuel super quiet inverter. 400 bucks off now, $17.99. 3,500 watt, you need a little smaller one. $649, it's 150 bucks off. And then here's an open frame, 5,000 watt. This one's gas powered, $399.99. It's also down $100. Trash water pump, 72 bucks off at $217.99. Here's your little battery box, $40 off. And this is a 294 watt hour capacity, $239.99. Replacement engine, this is horizontal shaft, 6.5 horsepower for $109.99, down 40 bucks. Here's your little heavier duty pressure washer for you guys that do a lot of pressure washing. 80 bucks off, $319.99. 3,200 PSI, guys, 3,200. That should get the job done. Here's your gas-powered earth auger, $179.99. The Avanti sprayer, the airless paint sprayer and stain sprayer, they're knocking 50 bucks off during the sale to $199.99. There's your quick up carport cover for $99.99, 40 bucks off. There's the 1200. This is a heavy duty capacity steel utility cart. It's got sides that remove, so the sideboards remove. Great ratings. Down 50 bucks to $139.99. Need to compact that gravel? Here it is, 120 bucks off, $579.99 by Central Machinery. Pole saw, this is the Portland brand. Hey, for us do-it-yourselfers, it works great. I've had mine for, I'm gonna say at least 5 years. It does a really good job, 31% off, $47.99. It is plug-in, but what I do is I actually carry a EcoFlow battery box with me out in the yard, plug it in, and I am portable. Here's your Yukon 5-tier shelf, 36 by 18 by 72, 33% off, down to $39.99. Need a 2-wheel dolly, $57.99. It's down 17%. They continue to lead everybody on TV wall mounts, and they haven't failed here. This one goes up to 80 inches for $29.99, down from $39.99. Here's your 10-gun electronic security safe, $329.99. And a HVLP paint and stain sprayer for $34.99. Just a reminder, the sale does start Monday, June 1st for Inside Track Club. And there's also going to be some freebies next weekend. They haven't published that, so I won't publish it either, but I have heard about it. So the guys are telling, they're usually pretty right on. And just a reminder, I do have separate videos on these. showcasing a few of the products. So please take a look. If this has helped you in any way, I really would appreciate a like and subscribe. And give me those comments. Tell me what you're going to buy. Until the next video, that's my cat. Y'all take care.